Just making a quick video explaining a quick thing mechanics do when car comes in. No start. Car cranks over. It's got a good battery. I've pretty much, everybody does this. you get underneath the car and you hit the fuel tank. You can use your hand, you can use your foot, and if you have a rubber mallet around, you don't have to hit it hard. You just kind of bump it and shake your fuel tank around it. If you have a pump that's failed from just high mileage, worn out fuel pump, that gets it to start again. It works with a failed fuel pump 90% of the time. It's super effective. It'll get it running enough where you can drive the car in, usually. Depending on the the case, it might even get you home, if you need to get the car to just run for a little while. So that's the first thing to do. You don't hurt anything. If you can get your hand under there and just smack the fuel tank, that usually gets them to fire up if you have a bad pump. So thanks.